Hello everyone, welcome back to Kodex Academy. Today we are going to give glitch effect to our text. So ready to go? Okay, so first I will delete this sprite and I'm going to paint my sprite. So we'll take the paint and go to costume. Here what I'm going to do, I will type some text and now I'm going to type the text. I will type Codex. Yes, we'll select it and make it enlarge. Okay, and here we can select the outline. Any outline we can select. I'll select bit yellow, and now color I will select bit dark. Okay, that would be great. And now I will make it marker. Yes, that would be fine. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'll make it duplicate twice, and here little position I will change this much, moving the text, and here this one also little bit more moving. All positions are bit different and rest of the things are common. Now we'll go back to the code, and here to make your background good you can add one backdrop. I will choose the light. Okay, now we are going to glitch effect to our text. For that, first we'll go to the event block, take when green flag click, then go to motion, and here I will set the position x0, y0. Okay, now go to control, take forever loop, and then afterwards repeat. That repeat would be 3 times. Okay, now we're going to change its costume. For that, go to looks and take switch costume, and in this we are going to switch costume to pick random 1 2 3 because we have made 3 costume. So we'll take pick random 1 2 3. Okay, now change color by 25. We'll again go to the look block and take change color effect by 25. Again go to control and take wait 1 second. Instead of wait 1 second, we will put 0.1 second, and then we are going to clear all the graphic effects. So here we'll go to the looks block and take clear all the graphic effects, and we'll put in the forever loop. Okay, now I'll make the screen big and you will see the effect. Oh wow, see how beautifully our text is glitch. This kind of animations you can use to give the great graphical effect to your text. I hope you like this video. If you please like, subscribe and share with your family and friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video.